Well, happy Easter for all our Orthodox Christian viewers and Orthodox people throughout the world. A message which seems to have slipped the mind of the British government, who are normally fastidious about marking such anniversaries. And happy Cosmonautics Day here in Moscow, celebrated wildly because, of course, on this day in 1961, the USSR sent the first man, Yuri Gagarin, into space. And Kana has again been the subject of a horrific massacre. I spoke in the House of Commons almost 30 years ago on the massacre of the innocents in the very spot where Jesus performed his first miracle, turning water into wine. I know he shouldn't have done that, but it will take more than a miracle for Donald Trump's latest wheeze to have any positive effect on the world economy. It's all coming up because it is the mother of all talk shows.